Hi, and welcome back to another Washoe County Library's Crafternoon. My name's Jackie, and I work at the Incline Village Library. In celebration of libraries, I'd like to share a fun confetti bookmark. I'd like to thank DIYcandy.com for providing a fun and colorful craft. Materials that you will need will include some contact paper, a pair of scissors. I have two different types of paper here. I have some thicker cardstock type of paper and some thin colored scrap pieces of paper. To make our confetti, you will need a hole punch and the colorful paper. If you already have some sequins at home or other forms of confetti, go ahead and use what you already have. To begin, go ahead and grab 5 or 6 sheets of colorful paper and hole punch as much confetti as you prefer. Now we have lots of fun confetti. Our second step is to create the border. Here I have several different sizes, so it's up to you on how you want to make your own border. Let's grab our piece of paper and go ahead and fold it in half. On either side of the paper, about 1 inch in, is where I will cut. As far as the width, I will cut another inch into the paper. So 1 inch from the side and 1 inch in. And the same on the other side. You should have 2 flaps at this point. This middle section we will cut out. Let's go ahead and cut about 2 inches off. I'm leaving about 1 inch of space from where we last cut. There we go. We'll put that to the side for now. Go ahead and grab your contact paper. And we'll need to cut 2 separate sheets to fit the width of this border. Here are our 2 sheets. Go ahead and grab your first one. One side will be sticky and the other side won't. The non-sticky side we're going to lay on our surface. Okay. Take your bookmark border and lay it down on the sticky surface. There we go. Let's grab our confetti and we're going to fill the inside of our bookmark. You can add as much as you like. And a few sequins. There we go. I think that is enough for my liking. We'll grab our second piece of contact paper
And the sticky side will go over the top of the bookmark and the sequins. Don't worry too much if you end up getting crinkles in your paper. It's easy to peel right off. Our final step is to trim around the border. And there we have it. You can make all kinds of fun, different colors and textures.
Thank you for joining me today, and if you'd like more crafts like this one, be sure to visit our Facebook page and our website at washoecountylibrary.us. Bye!